Hello, my little friends. Let's do addition, subtraction. Let's do the addition. Addition means to add. Symbol is plus. Subtraction means take away. Symbol is minus. So let's do it. How many dots are there? How many dots are there? There are three. How many dots are there? There are two. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. How many dots are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again there are 2. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. How many dots are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then 2. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Do the rest. Now tell me, how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 5 dots. There is only one dot. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. So I hope you learn the addition. So do the rest. Now we are going to do the addition and subtraction using the number line. So in the number line, there are numbers from 0 to 20. Let's count with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So there are numbers from 0 to 20. Let's start the addition. So the first one is 11 plus 8. Where is number 11? Can you show me number 11? Yes, here is number 11. We have to add number 8. So we will add number 8 by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So the result is 19. So how can we show through number line? Here is the number 11. We are going to add number 8. So 11 plus 8 equals 19. Now we are going to do the second one. 12 plus 7. Can you show me the number 12 in the number line? Yes, this is the number 12. We are going to add 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 12 plus 7 equals 19. Now you are going to do the rest. So now we are going to do the subtraction. So here it's written 11 minus 9. So how to do? We are not going to go forward. No. We are going to do the backward. Yes, you heard it right. Now show me the number 11. Here is number 11. We are going backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are going to represent like this. So 11 minus 9 equals 2. I hope you learn a lot. When we get these kind of question, you must think how to do this. Okay, let's do it. So here is number 4 and here is number 9. When we add two number, then we get the sum. That is a bigger number. These two addend are smaller number. One number is given, another number is missing. So how to get the number? I'm going to tell you how to get the number. This one is bigger, right? This one is smaller. So 9 minus 4 equals. Now we are going to do the second one. In second one, the first one is missing, the second one is given, but the bigger one is given. So we need to find out the smaller one. So 7 minus 4 equals 3. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. So 7 minus 4 equals 3. Thank you for watching, my little friends. Do like, share and subscribe. Please follow our FB page Kiddoctive Homeschooling.